Welcome to day 14 of our Technical Masterclass. Today, we use average true range, or ATR, to filter out dead trades.
Are you tired of buying breakout setups only to watch the stock freeze and bleed out your time value?
The problem isn't your pattern, it's volatility. You're entering dead charts with zero expansion potential. ATR doesn't predict direction. It measures pure volatility by tracking the average trading range over a set period.
If a stock trades at 100 rupees with an ATR of 1 rupees, expecting a 5 rupee move today is statistically unrealistic.
Rule number 1. Filter out any chart where current ATR is contracting below its 20-day moving average. Avoid the noise. Combine ATR expansion with price breakouts. When ATR turns up from extreme lows, explosive momentum begins.
Quick checklist. Target high ATR stocks. Set stop losses based on 1.5x ATR and never trade flat volatility.
Tomorrow on day 15, how to use ATR to place dynamic stop losses and size positions like a pro. See you there.
Master your trade selection today. Hit that like button, subscribe to @EquityTeacher, and share this with fellow traders.